A family limited partnership, also known as an FLP, can be a valuable estate planning tool, offering numerous benefits for wealth preservation and succession planning. One significant advantage is asset protection, as FLPs shield family assets from potential creditors and lawsuits. Moreover, FLPs facilitate the transfer of wealth to future generations, while allowing the current generation to maintain control over assets. They also offer tax advantages, enabling income and assets to be distributed among family members in a tax-efficient manner. Additionally, FLPs provide flexibility, allowing for customized provisions to meet the unique needs and goals of each family. By establishing a family-limited partnership, families can effectively manage and preserve their wealth for generations to come, while maintaining control and flexibility over their assets.